Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Corina Dilahur-Nakshabi and my live student number is 011. I want to tell you about my analyze and from the story A Groom Like Shah Rukh Khan by Fidan Verma. And for the first is the summary. The summary is Paro and Manju were best friends in a small village in India. After watching the movie Dilwale Dulhania Le Chayan, they set their standard criteria ideal husband like Shah Rukh Khan. 3 years passed, and Manju got married to a man chosen by her parents without revealing her own criteria husband. He was the son of wealthy moneylender and bore resemblance to Shah Rukh Khan, but he had a dark side. He was an alcoholic. Despite this, Manju's parents accepted him, assuming he would change to the better after marriage. Of course, all of this happened without Manju's consent. After Manju's marriage, Paro felt lonely, and her parents become even more determined to find husband for her. One night, her father and uncle broke what they called good news. A man was willing to marry Paro without asking for a dowry. And time was short because the future husband Paro is older and he had to leave soon for Dati. The marriage arranged in just 10 days without the groom and the bride meeting face to face. On the wedding night, when they were finally alone in their room, the groom said, "You might find it weird, but I always wanted to marry somebody had gray eyes like Aishwarya Rai." And she looked up because Paro has a gray eyes. The second is social issues. The social issues is arranged marriage. Paro and Manju had no control over their marriage decision. Even though they had their own standard for a spouse, the final decision remained in the hands their families. 2 is gender inequality and expectation of women. Paro felt she had no right to ask about her prospective husband, illustrating how women often had little say in major life decisions. 3 is beauty standard. Paro and Manju were obsessed with Shah Rukh Khan after watching the movie Dilwale Dulhania Le Chayang. And this highlights how can media and popular culture can shape societal expectation of beauty and attractiveness. 4 is patriarchy in marriage system. Men have full control over woman marriage decision. Paro's father and uncles were responsible finding to Paro husband, while Paro and her mother could only accept the decision. The last is societal pressure for women to marry early. Paro's father and uncles become even more determined to finding her husband because Manju, who was younger than Paro, she had already gotten married. So, what can be act to change about Paro and Manju life? First is gathering the courage to ask the family about the man they are going to marry. Two is explaining the standard desired by Paro and Manju. Three is discussing with the family about Paro and Manju wishes and what they do not want. Logically, if women in that era did not speak up to change their own fate, so how long would they continue to remain silent and follow men? Women should not just stay quiet and be forbidden taking action. Women also have the right to choose what they want and what they do not want. Thank you.